idea of a holiday in the modern sense originated during the interwar period, when a large part of the population could finally afford to travel during the holidays. Here, the railway played an important role, whether to savor the summer breeze at the seaside, for hiking, winter sports in the mountains, or for overnight city visits. The railway offered numerous possibilities for holiday travel. The finely detailed models are neatly painted and printed with all the pertinent addresses and logos. The basic set, 741005 and 741085, consists of 2 end cars, 1 compartment coach and 1 buffet car. The supplementary set, 741006, consists of 1 compartment coach, 1 large capacity coach and 1 dining car. The motor with flywheel mass, which is suspended in a metal frame, generates the powerful drive on 2 axles of an end car. Sprung bellows also permit the train to retain the appearance of a closed unit even on curves in compliance with the prototype. The end cars feature a white-red lightning change depending on the direction of travel. All our carriages are equipped with interior lighting. The digital design has a loudspeaker located in both end cars, in addition to many other prototypical sound functions such as closing doors, station announcements, and so on. The time-delayed starting of the 2 motors ensures an impressive sound experience.